Meaning of gradualist.
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 Gradualist. The term gradualist refers to the approach of achieving a goal through incremental steps instead of sudden, drastic changes. This approach prioritizes maintaining stability and minimizing disruption while still making progress towards the desired outcome. Gradualism is often used in political movements seeking to bring about social or economic change without causing significant upheaval. The result of gradualism can be mixed depending on the specific context and goals being pursued. While it can help avoid some of the negative consequences of sudden change, such as social unrest or economic instability, it may also lead to slower or less significant progress overall. Additionally, critics argue that gradualism can become a form of complacency that ultimately fails to achieve meaningful change.